so happy to welcome all of you, or as we say in Alabama, y'all, to Seattle Carly's Hot Mitzvah. We were all so thrilled to learn that Neil and Leslie were going to have a girl. Now we were searching for the perfect name. Kathy, Casey, Carolyn, Christian. No, not Christian. Said Christian. It was Kevin who named his sister a month before she was born. He said, "How about Carly?" Neil said, "That is the perfect name. It has the same letters as Clay, C-L-A-Y, with an R added. Carly is her name. That's how you got your name." We all love her so much. Her dancing and singing recitals are the highlight of my year. And this year, we will have an extra treat. I know that she will bring joy to all of us tomorrow, and that Clay and Lewis will be watching her too. This weekend is for Carly. She's our star. Let the show begin.
Very nice.